Every small yard holds the potential to become a peaceful retreat. In this video, we explore how a limited budget can still create a stunning garden transformation filled with elegance, calmness, and natural charm. By blending Zen simplicity with tropical warmth, even the smallest outdoor space can feel luxurious and refreshing. This makeover focuses on creativity, smart material choices, and thoughtful design. From entryways and pathways to cozy seating and greenery, every detail works together to turn a modest yard into a relaxing garden sanctuary. Before starting any makeover, it's important to truly understand the space you are working with. Small yards often feel cramped or underutilized, but with the right perspective they become perfect canvases for creative design. Measuring the space, observing sunlight patterns, and identifying focal points helps guide the entire transformation. Instead of filling the yard with too many features, the goal is to create balance and openness. When carefully planned, a small garden can feel organized, peaceful, and surprisingly spacious. The design concept for this makeover combines two beautiful styles, the peaceful minimalism of Zen gardens and the lush greenery of tropical landscapes. Zen design emphasizes calmness, natural textures, and uncluttered spaces, while tropical inspiration introduces vibrant plants and organic shapes. Together, they create a relaxing yet lively environment. By focusing on neutral colors, natural materials like wood and stone, and carefully selected plants, the garden begins to feel like a serene escape without requiring expensive materials or complicated construction. The first physical step in the makeover is clearing the yard. Old clutter, broken pots, unused furniture, and overgrown weeds are removed to reveal the true shape of the space. This stage is often overlooked, but it is essential for creating a fresh start. Once the area is cleared, the ground can be leveled and basic soil preparation can begin. Even this simple effort dramatically improves the yard's appearance and makes it easier to visualize the future garden layout. Garden path instantly gives structure to a small yard. Using affordable materials like gravel, stepping stones, or reclaimed bricks, you can create a charming walkway that guides visitors through the space. The path becomes both functional and decorative, connecting different zones of the garden. Curved paths add a sense of movement and softness, while straight lines emphasize the calm simplicity of Zen design. Even with inexpensive materials, thoughtfully designed path brings elegance and purpose. A bamboo fence is one of the most affordable ways to introduce both privacy and style. Bamboo is lightweight, easy to install, and perfectly fits the Zen tropical theme. When arranged vertically or horizontally, it creates a warm, natural texture that softens the entire yard. The fence also acts as a backdrop for plants and decorative elements. With minimal cost and effort, bamboo transforms an ordinary boundary into a stylish garden feature. Every garden should have a place where you can sit and enjoy the surroundings. In this makeover, a small seating corner is created using simple wooden benches or repurposed pallets. cushions instantly makes the space comfortable and inviting. Placing the seating area near greenery enhances the feeling of being surrounded by nature. Even a tiny corner can become a peaceful retreat where you relax with a cup of tea or simply unwind. Plants are the heart of any garden makeover. Choosing tropical varieties such as ferns, palms, or large-leaf plants creates a lush and vibrant atmosphere. These plants often grow quickly and fill empty spaces beautifully. Using a mix of ground plants, potted plants, and vertical greenery adds depth to the garden design. Even a small number of well-placed plants can completely transform the mood of the yard, making it feel alive and refreshing. Gardens often use stones as symbols of stability and natural beauty. Incorporating decorative stones, gravel beds, or a small rock arrangement can instantly add a peaceful Zen touch. Stones are inexpensive and easy to arrange, yet they bring strong visual impact. Placing them around plants or near the garden path creates a balanced composition. These elements help slow down the visual pace of the garden, encouraging a calm and meditative atmosphere. Water features may sound expensive, but a simple DIY fountain can be created with a small pump, a container, and decorative stones. The gentle sound of flowing water instantly adds tranquility to the garden. Even the smallest water element can change the entire atmosphere, making the space feel cooler and more relaxing. Placed near the seating area, it becomes a focal point that draws attention and enhances the Zen-inspired environment. Wood is one of the most versatile and affordable materials in garden design. Reclaimed wood can be used for planters, edging, benches, or decorative panels. Its natural texture pairs beautifully with tropical greenery and Zen stones. Wooden elements also introduce warmth and balance to the garden's overall appearance. With simple DIY projects, wood can help create a cohesive design that feels both rustic and elegant. In small yards, vertical gardening is a powerful solution. Installing simple wall planters, hanging pots, or wooden plant shelves allows you to add more greenery without crowding the ground. Vertical gardens create visual layers and make the space appear taller and more dynamic. They also bring plants closer to eye level, enhancing the immersive feeling of being surrounded by nature. Gravel and ground covers are budget-friendly materials that instantly improve the garden's appearance. White gravel creates a clean Zen look, while darker stones provide contrast against greenery. These materials also help control weeds and keep the yard looking neat. By defining small zones with gravel or pebbles, the garden gains structure and visual interest without expensive landscaping. drastically change the mood of a garden. Simple solar lights or small LED lanterns placed along pathways, near plants, or around the seating area create a warm glow in the evening. The light highlights textures, shadows, and greenery, turning the small yard into a cozy nighttime retreat. Best of all, solar lights are affordable and easy to install. Decorative touches such as stone lanterns, wooden sculptures, or simple clay pots add personality to the garden. These elements should remain subtle and natural, supporting the Zen tropical theme without overwhelming the space. A few carefully chosen decorations can become charming focal points that enrich the overall design while maintaining the garden's peaceful atmosphere. A dedicated Zen corner can be created using fine gravel, a few large stones, and minimal plants. This small area represents the essence of Zen design: simplicity, balance, and tranquility. The gravel can be gently raked into patterns, creating a calming visual texture. Even in a compact yard, this mini Zen garden offers a peaceful moment of reflection. Once the garden makeover is complete, regular maintenance keeps it looking fresh and vibrant. Trimming plants, cleaning pathways, and refreshing gravel areas are simple tasks that maintain the garden's elegance. Choosing hardy tropical plants also reduces maintenance costs. With a little care, the garden will continue to grow and improve over time. As the camera slowly pans across the finished garden, the transformation becomes clear. What once looked like a basic, underused yard is now a serene outdoor oasis. The bamboo fence, tropical plants, Zen stones, and cozy seating corner work together to create a harmonious space. Despite the low budget, the garden feels elegant, relaxing, and thoughtfully designed. One of the biggest lessons from this project is that beautiful gardens are not defined by expensive materials. Creativity, patience, and thoughtful planning make the biggest difference. Even a small yard can become a personal sanctuary with the right ideas. This makeover encourages viewers to look at their own outdoor spaces and imagine the possibilities. In conclusion, transforming a small yard into a Zen and tropical-inspired garden is completely achievable without spending a fortune. By combining natural materials, simple DIY elements, and carefully chosen plants, anyone can create a peaceful and stylish outdoor space. This low-budget garden makeover proves that elegance comes from thoughtful design, not high cost. With creativity and inspiration, every small yard can become a beautiful retreat that brings calm and joy to everyday life.